Okay, so I decided to make a new pick map. With my friend. So I just decided that I would showcase it here. So I'll just be showing the way to get the actual ending and stuff. And if you like the map, well, I'll most definitely be making more because these maps are really fun to make. So yeah. Time to lead them into my home under the spell of Tio. Oh yeah. That's so tough. Thanks for everything, Rash. It means a lot. Dude, this cutscene is so freaking tough. Ow, my head! Why did Rash lock the ship and hit me? I'm gonna go find answers. And this is where the map all starts. So as you can see, I placed knives down because why not? Why did I spawn looking that way? Alright, it's a bit buggy. I don't know why it's that way. But yeah, if you guys like this map, then I can definitely show you guys how to get the secret ending. I've practiced this map a little bit, but if I die, it's going to be really embarrassing. So, yeah. But we just don't die. How does that sound, guys? Get away. I don't know why I can't put this on. Come at me, Rash. I don't know how, but I feel like I got good at dodging for some reason. Put away, Donut Man. It was scary. I'm in like secret little break off areas. If that makes some sense. Yeah, he's on his way back up. So freaking close. So, well, I died. You see how I kind of said that was a work in progress there? There's no need for this stupid purple vault anyways. So yeah, we'll just put the white key in here. But yeah, if you did beat the white key, if you did get the white key, I should say, you would get this cutscene if you escaped. Gosh, Tio, you're working together? I should have known. Time to die. No, run. I'll hold them off. No, you won't, little bro. Finally, I get to have my revenge. Yeah, I gotta fix that little part right there, because I gotta make him kind of go, run, don't look back. I kind of gotta make him, like, walk right in front, instead of having him go on top of him. So, I think we'll actually fix it right now. Really quick. Shoot, what did I just do? Okay, so I'm just gonna make Tio kind of just move like right around here. Oh, no. We'll just make him walk right here. Yeah, we'll just make that one first, just so we can view it first. Oh, okay. So we just love that. We just love how it hashtagged there. Oh, we love the cutscenes, by the way. So just none of them work. Okay, that's awesome. That is absolutely awesome sauce, dude. Now I just gotta save this. Yeah, but there's also a secret ending area, but I can only do that if my friend and I play. So, yeah, I think that's truly it. Let me know if I should add some new things or what map I should make next. If you guys want to play this for yourself, just search up my Roblox username. I'll put the username in the comments. And then you guys can play it. Give me some feedback or whatever you want to put on there. So yeah, I feel like it's like a pretty good map. The one previous to this was my ship map. I said ship. It doesn't sound like ship though. Yeah, like I would like to hear you guys' feedback on this map. Like, obviously it's kind of bad looking once you get over here because I had to add the stairs to make the character climb up. I just made the raft kind of small to start off because, well, I'm not gonna make like a huge ship because the last map I made was based off of the ship map on the actual Piggy. Yeah, like, look at this thing. I could probably beat this by myself, but like, yeah, this map was actually kind of an experimental thing. Let's see. it's like kind of it's too big, but it's also like nice looking because it's just only one color and it's just built pretty well. And then the map before that one had literally no story behind it whatsoever, because I didn't decide to make a story yet. This is a map that I think you guys have seen before, right? Yeah, you have to see this one. I mean, I still like it, but it's not my favorite type of map, you know? So yeah, just let me know what you guys think, and then I'll see you in a little bit, you know? Bye.